Spring has sprung. Well, maybe. I don't know. It's hard to tell when it's 30 degrees out, but I'm excited for some spring fashion. So today we're going to be going through my Altered State box, and I ordered some Valentine's Day stuff and lots of spring items. So let's dive in and see what I got. Okay, so I'm excited. So Altered State, if you haven't shopped there before, it is kind of a little bit more like a teen brand for sure, but they have really cute stuff, and I see women of all ages in there. So I also shop there. Now, I will say that you want to size up a little bit because they are kind of more like a juniors brand, but that doesn't mean you can't wear this stuff because it's super cute. All right, let's dive in and see what I got. Okay, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this first one, oh, lots of fluffing here. Okay, this is their Jolene dress. Now, they name everything after really cute millennial names. This one is the Jolene. So I'll bring this back so you can kind of see this print. It is really pretty, and it's got a halter tie. Now, I did size up. So usually I'm a medium. I did go large, and I will let you know about the sizing for any of these and whether or not they were a good fit for me. But it's got a little bit of ruching on the back, so you got a little bit of give there. And then even more fun, which it kind of looked like, it's got sort of this tulle underneath, and then you do have a slip dress, so it's not going to be see-through. So very excited for that one. And that one is $94. And I will also say, if you can see this box here and you can see this print, they're very similar. It's a very pretty box. Okay, the next one we've got is this one. This is the Kelly Lynn Romper. Now, I'm going to bring this in so you can kind of see how cute it is with those little things. And obviously I'll have pictures up here too, but it's got nice pleating. It does have a zipper in the back, and this is a little bit short. So it is a skort, and I wasn't sure because they never actually say in the description, but this is a skort. I think this is really cute. I think this is good for Valentine's Day, all summer long, all spring long. This one, I am excited. So hopefully it looks good on me. You'll see it here. Okay, so next we have this sweater. So this is a short sleeve sweater. I got this in size medium, and this is $61, but I just think this is really cute. I think this is gonna look great paired with some baggy jeans, you know, some red shoes. I'm very excited about this one. And you know, I live in the South and it is so cold right now, but this is gonna be great because I can wear this in the spring because we warm up pretty fast. And let's see what else we've got. Oh, super excited. So I got these slippers. Let's take a look. They are definitely for Valentine's Day, but I'm probably going to wear them quite a bit. This says Be Mine on it, and I just think those are so cute. And I love this style where it's got just kind of like the click in the back here, and it's not like a full in, because then you can just slip into these. Very exciting. All right, let's see what else we've got. We've got another dress. This is the Samara mesh dress, and I bought this, and there should be another one in there too. They are only $21. So it's a full-length dress, so it's a maxi dress, and then up top it's got a slip, and then the bottom part is truly just mesh see-through. This one you can wear over both shoulders, it looked like, or you could just wear it on one shoulder. I'll probably wear it on both shoulders. And it's got ruching on the side here. This is really pretty. I'm really excited to wear this. This is a perfect spring dress. I just think pink and flowers. This one's great. All right, what else have we got? Oh, this shirt. So I'm really excited about this shirt. I hope I got the right size. It said it was oversized, and so I went ahead and I got extra small, whereas normally I would be a medium in like Ann Taylor at Walmart, Target. But it says this. It says, text me when you land, which we all say that, right? You know, you're in the parking lot, text me when you land. And then on the back side, it's got all these stamps from travel. I travel a lot for my job and just in general. And so I think this looks very like lived in. I think this is going to be really fun. I think this will go well with shorts in the summer or some pants right now. Let's see what else we've got. Ooh. Okay, so this is another skort. I know it looks like it's a super tiny mini skirt, but it's shorts. And when you think of it shorts, then it's okay. But this is really cute. So I like it has the little mark right there. I'll bring that in so you can see that it says Altered State. You've got two pockets, and then just to show you, it is actually shorts. So the shorts are underneath here, and then in the back it looks like it's a skirt as well. I think this is going to look cute with some of the other items that we've got. And this was $64, and I did get large. I like my skirts just to be a little bit looser. I don't like them really high-waisted, so I went large. Hopefully that's a good choice. Again, I will tell you on the screen up there. And then I got this cute little white shirt. So it's got lace over here and then also on the side. I got this one in large too, again, just so it would be a little bit oversized. It looked like it was cropped, and I don't really like my stuff to be that cropped. So if I go larger, usually then it's not cropped. But I think this will look good. I think this will look really good with that skort. And that was $58. Okay. Ooh, accessories. So exciting. Okay, so this is their picnic bag, and it's got these seersucker stripes, and this is $68. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, let's take a look inside. So does it open? How does it work? Oh, I think it's just you stick your hand in there. So there is one little pocket there, if you can see that. And then, I mean, it's a pretty good size. You're definitely gonna be able to fit your phone and some stuff in it. Let's go ahead and take this bow off. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is great. I'm very excited about this. I think this goes with most of the items that I got in this haul. And then also I got this one. So this is another one of those maxi dress. This is the Junie dress. And this one was $22. I mean, $22. Now, keep in mind, these retailed for like $90. So this is a good deal to pick up right now. And I just looked today after I got my order, and these are both still in stock, all sizes. I did get size large, but I'll bring this in so you can see, oh, how pretty is that print? And same thing, you could wear it on one shoulder or both. It's very similar to the Samara. It's just a different brand, but they gave it a different name. So very cute. Love that. Up next, and I know we're all super excited for bathing suit season. So here's the bottoms and here's the top. Oop, fell out. Okay. So this is their Sweet Guava bikini top. So it has this top, and then it's got this bottom. And I know it's really early. If you don't shop for some swimwear now, then you don't have a lot left over. Target has all their stuff. Walmart has a ton of stuff out. So, and it's starting to creep up kind of everywhere. The bottom was $50, and then the top was $47. I did have some discounts. They had like you sign up for text or something like that. So excited to see how this looks. And the last thing I have is a hat. So I am a sucker for lobster. I just did a Walmart haul, and I had a lobster purse in there, and I was thrilled about that. And I thought this will go perfect with it. Now, I'm not a super good hat person, so not all hats look good on me. You know, some people look really good in sunglasses. Some people look really good in hats. I don't particularly look good in either, but I'm gonna give this a try and we'll see how it goes. I will have any descriptions for any of the items and whether they fit or didn't fit and what size I got. All these will be linked in the description box down below, and I'll have the name of the item, the color, and the size and the price. But keep in mind there are some sales right now, so definitely check that out because it's not a super cheap brand, but they do have really cute girly stuff and I really enjoy it. But like I said, there's not a lot of altered state stores. For me, the closest store is about 2.5 hours away, so it winds up being a shipping and hope that you order correctly. And I'd love it if you use my links in the description box. I do get a small commission for those, which really helps me to bring you guys more content on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you'd give it a like, and I hope you subscribe to become part of the Beauty First and 10 family. I have a Walmart haul and a Walmart Valentine's coming up as well, and I have lots of fun spring content. I know we are all sick of winter. I know I am. I only had it for like a week here in the South, and I am so over it. So I am ready to start wearing some spring fashion. I hope everyone has a great day and happy shopping.